Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomiwa Adibanjo, and on my channel I talk about natural hair and lifestyle because we all have lives. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing how I put my hair in this super gorgeous butterfly locks that are all the rave these days. So I've always wanted to have butterfly locks done, but for some reason they were always too pricey, so I just decided to do it myself. And because I'm a good sport, I decided to come here and show you guys how you can do them by yourself. So if this is something you'd like to see, then please keep watching. Last time I made my hair myself, I put my hair in spring twists. I'll link that video up here so you can go watch it. It took me all of 13 hours to complete my hair, and honestly today I do not have 13 hours. I'm going to be putting my hair into chunky sections, and being distressed locks, I find that it looks way better when your sections are chunkier. The hair I'm going to be using is from a brand called Freedom. So it says Freedom Braid Collection. It's similar to the hair that I used in my spring twist video. This is what the hair looks like, and this is what it looks like separated. So I have two parts of that, and that's what I'm going to be using in my video today, and hopefully it's enough to cover my entire head of hair. My hair is freshly washed. I haven't put in conditioner or any of that, which is why it looks a little crazy. But as I put my hair in sections, I'm going to be putting on my conditioner and my shea butter. I'm going to start by dividing my hair into two sections, the front half and the back half. I put the front half of my hair into two sections and put one half aside. With the other half, I've already begun to put it into the chunky sections that I need for my distressed locks, and I added some kinky extensions and twisted it about halfway down just to bulk up my locks a little bit. So I'm going to go on to put the rest of this half into chunky sections and twist it up. Taking my Cantu leave-in conditioner, my shea butter, and then I'm going to begin to twist it up. I'm going to take some kinky extensions and incorporate that into the twists. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of this half. I have twisted up this entire half, and I have 13 twists in total. So I'm going to go ahead and begin to wrap it and form my distressed locks. I'm taking my extensions. This is what it looks like after separating. I'm going to take one end, a short section of one end, and run it down the twist so it's right beside the twist. And then with the longer end, I'm going to begin to wrap. Wrap it around the base a few times, and then begin to run it down. give it that distressed look, instead of stretching it out totally when I'm wrapping, I'm going to ease up on the curls so that it doesn't stretch out a lot. I hope you see what I'm talking about. So I'm not stretching it out this way. I'm just going to ease up and just wrap gently. And when I get to the end, I'm going to take the little bit left and wrap it, take it back up. Roll it between my palms, and this is what our first look looks like. So hey guys, it is now 11:30 p.m. and I only have one piece left to go. I started my hair by 3 and I had a 30-minute food break. I've spent 8 hours on my hair. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and finish up this last piece. Hey guys, so this is the next day and this is what my hair looks like. So I'm going to just go ahead and oil it a little bit. I really like it. I don't know if you guys can tell. I only spent about 3,500 naira on this entire look, so I'm so elated. I'm so happy. I can't believe I did it. Like it looks so good. It looks so good. I love it. I'll probably do it again, and I didn't spend 13 hours this time. I spent 9 hours. So that's great. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment telling me how awesome I am, because I know I am. But no, just leave a comment, like this video, share it to your family and friends, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? What? Just subscribe now. Do it, please. Thank you. So I will see you in my next video.